Hi everyone, what is up? I hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Are you ready to destroy another good working condition cosmetics of yours and turn it into a DIY that we'll probably never use? Okay, I'm just kidding. So today's video we are going to create glitter pressed pigments, as you guys have read in the title. And the reason why I wanted to make my own is because I just noticed that I am attracted to like a lot of eyeshadow palettes that has those. So I think the whole reason why I bought some palettes of mine is because of the glitter pressed shadows. So I thought that why not just make my own? Because I noticed that all of my glitters here, they're just there in the bottle, in their container, and I barely use them. So if you guys wanted to know how I created my pressed glitter shadows, beautiful. Not this one. Only that one on the part. The 9 pressed glitter shadows. Okay, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, before we begin, I would like to show to you guys the things that I will be using for this project. I actually have this mini saucer right here, which I will be putting alcohol. So the thing is that I'm going to take out all of the shadows right here. These are the shadows that I feel like I'm not really interested in, aside from the fact that the quality is very poor and they are just shattered. So I think it's just perfect to sacrifice these items for today's project. So it's going to come out looking like this, and then after that I'm going to put it in my alcohol solution right here, which I will be filling in later, as you guys will see in a bit. And I have my handy dandy spatula. I have this for a really long time now. It has been my companion over the years, and I have my mixing plate just in case I need it. Of course, I have my alcohol here to me. I have the 70% isopropyl alcohol. Some people prefer it higher because they say that they evaporate quicker. But then again, if you're going to wait 24 hours anyway, I'm not like a chemist, dermatologist, whatever. I don't really know the specifications when it comes to alcohol, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm gonna use, okay? And then, of course, we will be needing glitter, just in case you guys always go to Ulta. I'm absolutely 100% sure that you are always familiar with this pack right here. More like spring, summer, fall, or Christmas time, they would make this deal like 5 for $10, so you'll be getting one of these. So with $10, you can actually get like 10 packs of this cosmetic glitter. Again, it has to be cosmetic glitter because if you use craft glitter to your eyes, it can scratch your eye and you can go blind. So it's that tragic. So, ooh. So just want to let you guys know now that if you are on a budget and if you want cosmetic glitter, then check out the check out the Sweet and Shimmer line from Ulta. And yeah, this is very affordable. If you buy them individually, they're like $4.99, but I always get like, 5 items for $10. So you will be getting like 6 different cosmetic glitters. And to me, that is actually pretty damn good, and you can't beat this price. So I don't know if that's a life hack or whatever. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but I just wanted to share this glitter to you guys because normally glitter pigments are like $5 each, and this one is more of like a giveaway. Of course, you're not gonna get like, a lot, but then again, it works because there's like a lot of different colors. So you can definitely create so many shit with this product. So moving on, I have my aloe vera gel here. I actually, for some reason, this house doesn't really run out of aloe vera. John Ray is a primary, user of this product in this household, and I'm so lucky that my sister got me one. The last brand that I have used is from, what is it? The Face Shop or something. But this one, it's a Korean brand. I'm not so certain. My sister got it for me, and dude, this is a lot. Like, you can literally take a bath with this one. So the mixture that I'm using right now, or doing right now, is just honestly aloe vera and alcohol. That is it. Nothing else. Absolutely nothing else, because I think that if you put glycerin on it, you have limited time to consume it or use it, because I know that putting glycerin on something can, make it. I know for a fact that if you put like glycerin, people say that it's food, so therefore there's a chance for your products to have mold. Now the reason why I'm just using alcohol and aloe vera, because this product, mostly already contains glycerin. So I'm like, why am I gonna put glycerin still? This already has glycerin. So that's my whole reason for that. And you know, if you still wanted to use glycerin to make everything glide smoother, then that's gonna be up to you. But later on at the end of this video, I will show you how the eyeshadow, pressed eyeshadows work. So yeah, just alcohol and aloe vera, glitter, dude, that's it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to start to take out all of the eyeshadows from the pan. So for the next following videos, I'm just going to stay quiet, give you that a little bit of like ASMR type of vibe of video. And then after that, I'm going to show you how I have applied it on my eye look today. So basically what I did with the aloe vera and alcohol is that I just did more of like a little bit of alcohol. I want the aloe vera to be more dominant, and I am not going to press this eyeshadow mixture into our plate because 100% of the time all of your product is just going to go above the tissue or whatever cloth that you use. So I'm just going to lay it flat using my spatula as best as I can, even it all out. And once it dries, it's really going to just look like that, and then you can press it. Now let's go ahead and play with these glitters. First, I am going to warm up with my crease with this orange eyeshadow. And then after that, I'm going to pick up a red eyeshadow. This shadow specifically is actually from BH Cosmetics. It's from their old palette that I have depotted a while back. And it's not really a good formula. It's one of their like, you know, their formulas from the beginning. But I know BH Cosmetics have changed their formula over the years. Now, before applying the glitter, I have used my eyelash glue and spread it all over my entire lid. So I just dabbed it on, and then I will be applying some lashes, and that is it. Pretty easy, very simple, but you know what? If you see this look in person, you're gonna be like, ooh. Not really, but you know, I think it's cute. I think it's cute because I made it. That is pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on because I upload every day, Monday to Friday, no specific time. So usually if it's not 5 p.m., then, you know. But I do upload every day. So I'll see you on Monday. Bye!